Right, everyone. My stupid mum has just she's left her doors open the whole day, so a fucking bird is in our house. What a retard. That's the definition there of a retard. I've got fucking shit on the windowsill. There's shit literally everywhere. This bird, it might not even leave. It might just live here. Also, there's something coming on Amazon soon in 8 days for another challenge. So, yeah. Hopefully it'll come. I've just found out where it's coming from. Fucking hell. It is a piss take. So, yeah. Jesus Christ. And there's a bird outside waiting for it. The bird is too fucking dumb to get out the front double doors. Fucking hell. Right there. That's the bird. Will not leave. And the bird outside just waiting for it. If you want to see some more retarded stuff in my stupid house, follow me on YouTube.